Today we'll talk about how can you delete synced contacts on your Telegram app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to the zip here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So then you click here on privacy and settings here. Click here on privacy and settings. You come to next zip here. Then you just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you click here on delete synced contacts. Click on it. And you click here on delete synced contacts here. Then it's going to delete video on your app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.